Hello, everyone. It is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Captivated. The song is I'm So Into You. The artist is SWV, and the choreography is NICHOL POYNTZ. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. If you're interested in the step-by-step instruction, I'll post it at the end of this video. And let's go. Captivated. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.